Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a tad bit different because I normally don't talk about my skincare essentials. I don't never talk about the products that I use to keep my skin clear, as you can see. So recently I had like a really bad case of like acne where it was just like horrible. And I just kept wondering why my pores were just, crusty and dry. And it was like no matter what I used, no matter what I had tried to do, it wasn't working for me. So I knew I had to change my diet first and foremost. Secondly, I knew I had to drink like plenty of water. And thirdly, I knew I had to keep up a really nice balanced diet. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't keep up really a balanced diet like I should, but I do drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. That's one of the best things it is about keeping clear skin. So if you want clear skin, drink plenty of water. It can be lemon water, it could be cranberry water, it could be strawberry and mint water, it could be sparkling water, whatever water. I don't drink tap water because I found out what was in it and it just grossed me out. So I completely stopped drinking tap water. So now I just drink regular normal like Brita water or like spring water from Walmart. So let's get into the video. So my skincare essentials that I use that you need in your beauty book or beauty drawer is this. So I recently went to Walmart and I was really looking for a product to really try out that would work for like my skin tone. No, not my skin tone, but my skin, because I have dry combination skin, sensitive dry combination skin. So what that means is certain products I can't try that got fragrance in it, certain products that'll break me out quickly. It's just my skin is like that sensitive. So I picked up Equate Beauty Skin Cream with eucalyptus oil cleanse. It says cleanse and refreshes for smooth, soft skin. So this is basically a dupe for Noxzema. I like the smell. I'm not gonna lie, I love the smell. I've tried this out for like 2 days and already I see a difference in my skin, and it keeps my skin feeling refreshed and soft. My skin does not dry out after I wash it, because at first I was using Cetaphil soap. Now I'm not coming for Cetaphil saying that it's a bad product to use, but I personally stopped using it on my face because it would dry my face out. No, not Cetaphil, I take that back. I'm sorry, not Cetaphil, it was Dove. I was using Dove for my face. I would use Dove in the morning, I would use it at night to wash my face, and I would even use it to take my makeup off, which created a lot of bacteria on my face because a lot of the makeup that I was taking off my face wasn't all the way taken off. And in spite of me having my makeup wipes. So I was like, okay, something has to give at some particular point. So what I did was, I was like, okay, this has got to stop. So I stopped, I researched, and I literally was reading a dermatologist his intake on Dove soap and how to use it, and he was saying to not use Dove soap on your face. And he was right, because I use it on my face. My face was like dried out and I can feel the dry patches on my pores. It was crazy. And you can tell when your skin is acting stupid even under all the makeup. So that's why I chose to get the Equate, which is the dupe for Noxzema. It smells so good. It has eucalyptus oil in it, and it also has water in it and seed oil. It has all of the good ingredients that it needs in here. It has magnesium in it, and I love this product so much. I've tried this for 2 days. I've used it morning and I use it at night before I go to bed, and it is bomb on my skin. My skin is not dried out. I don't really see a lot of whiteheads on my chin, and my skin is not breaking out. I don't have dry patches, and my face and my skin feels a whole lot better than me using the Cetaphil and the Dove. The Cetaphil is good in my opinion for you removing makeup and dirt, but if you really want a clean surface, I recommend using this. But this is my skincare essential. It's my favorite. I love it so much. It's so good, and it's great for all skin types. Like if you have like sensitive skin, dry skin, it cleans and refreshes your skin, and I like it. Now, if you're allergic to eucalyptus oil, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you have like dry combination sensitive skin, I really recommend, for my sensitive skin girls, I recommend this particular skincare product. My next skincare essential that I personally use is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. It's oil free with bursting beads, and I got this from Walmart. It's like $4.97, and this is bomb. It has vitamin C and ginseng in it. I recommend using this only for the morning time because you can like exfoliate your face. I would recommend using it every day, but I switch up between this product and this. So I could use this in the morning, and then some mornings I can use this, but I highly recommend using this one. But this is my second skincare essential. This is recommended. It gets out all the dirt, oil, and impurities overnight. So from the night before. So if you really want to use this product, I recommend this as well. This is Clean and Clear Morning Burst. I've used this plenty of times before, and it literally like brightens your skin. It gives you that glow. It's like it's just awesome. So this is my second skincare essential. My third skincare essential, this is like recommended for like after the shower. So of course, Johnson & Johnson's shea and cocoa butter oil. I actually use this after I immediately get out the shower, and it keeps my skin really like smooth and just baby soft, and I just love it a lot. I use it pretty much everywhere except for my face, but this is pretty good, and you can use it on wet skin. And it kind of reminds me of the In Shower Jergens lotion moisturizer that you can use in the shower, but you can't go wrong with this product. This is my third skincare essential, and it keeps you smelling good, and you smell exactly like cocoa butter, and it's just, I love it a lot. My last two skincare essentials are recommended for like taking off makeup. I actually got this from Walmart too, and you guys already know, if you have been subscribed to my channel, you already know that Neutrogena cleansing makeup wipes are my absolute favorite because they are pre-moistened. Pre-moistened, and on top of that, it even removes waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner. It just does the whole shebang, because I know most makeup wipes that other companies have don't remove it as quickly. You have to use at least about 4 or 5 or 6 wipes just to get it off. This product, with just one wipe, will remove all of your makeup, at least like 1.5 or 2 wipes at the most. And this is bomb. So this is my makeup remover that I use for my face whenever I need to remove my makeup. Then I proceed to use my last skincare essential, Original Clean Equate Beauty. These are the wet cleansing towelettes, and these are just regular cleansing towelettes just to make sure that I take off, that all my makeup is taken off. So I could use the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I also can use these as well just for extra cleanse. And then I proceed to use my Equate, which is a game changer for my skin. And let me also add that this also brightens your skin. It's not a skin bleach, but it brightens your skin. Like, my skin has gotten brighter since using it, even after 2 days. So it's really getting all of that excess oil and all of that bacteria out of my skin, shall I say. So I definitely recommend this product. It's very affordable, and you can't beat it for $4.97 or $5 for this much. And also, another skincare essential that I want to share with you all is I also switch up washcloths at least every single day, because one of the things that I've learned is that when you have a nice washcloth and then you have your, skincare essentials, and my skincare essentials that I have to switch up washcloths every single day because my skin is sensitive. If you have sensitive skin, FYI, please use a different washcloth every single day, ladies, so that way you don't have all of that dirt and build up that you're putting back on your skin. So it's like the day before, you could just use this washcloth, and then the next day you go up and use this washcloth. All of the impurities and the bacteria that you put on this to wipe off your face with this towel is going to be on your skin like the next day. So I highly recommend that you guys use at least once a day. This is for my sensitive skin girls, because I know that I have to use at least a washcloth every single day, a different washcloth every single day. And I also got this from Walmart. This is not the only one. I actually have a pack. I'm just going to show you guys the second one. And I actually have like a pack, so I actually use these. And that's pretty much it. And that's how you see a lot of these people, a lot of the girls now that like have different skincare essentials. Not skincare essentials necessarily, I'm rambling, but their makeup is flawless because you have to take care of your skin. So I just want to share with you guys my skincare essentials. I really want to continue to upload and keep giving you guys good content because of the feedback has been crazy about how I made my dietary tea and my dietary tea video. The views on that bad boy is like crazy. Like, I didn't think that you guys even wanted to even see anything like that. I got people subscribing to my channel like crazy and asking me different questions about how I'm supposed to make this tea and how they didn't make it right and things like that. And I love my subscribers. You just don't know. Like, I haven't uploaded in a year, and then all of a sudden I uploaded, and the feedback from coming back from such a year-long hiatus has been like crazy, especially my tea video. Like, you guys love that video. So if you want to see more like reviews about teas and stuff like that and different ones that I use, I only use the Dietary Ballerina tea, and I'm still using it. I'm going to give you guys an update on my weight loss really soon, but not too soon. And that's pretty much it. Those are my skincare essentials. And you guys stay tuned because I'm going to upload a makeup video for you all. So yeah. And that's it. Bye, guys.